Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Aditya coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, December 11th, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 42 degrees. We are expecting a high of 55 and a low of 49, with clouds and sun. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Kasha. Say your name. Mia.
Gab.
Edward. Rocio.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. The Blackhawks lost last night to the Nashville Predators by a score of 5-1. The Bulls won against the Los Angeles Clippers by a score of 83-80. And the Bears will play the Washington Redskins Sunday at noon. There are no clubs meeting today. Last night, the Hoover Harmonic sang carols at Friendship Village. A great time was had by all. Tonight is holidays around Hoover. Come to Hoover any time between 6 and 8 o'clock to join Hoover's students and families as they highlight the different cultures at our school. There will be performances to watch, food samples to eat, and crafts to make. Tickets will be available at the door to buy food samples. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer, the big elf.
Thank you, Aditya. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. It's Friday, just in case you forgot. We have one more week of school, and then we're on winter break. I think we can do it. A couple of announcements. First off, we had a few things left on the bus this morning. The first one is a library book called Looking at Animals in Cold Places. If this looks familiar, we will have it in the library. It is a library book. That's why I said we have a library book. And then somebody left their purple fringed coin purse. It is empty on the bus as well. I did check with Mr. Kyle. It's not his. So if this looks familiar, it will be in the office. All right. Let's pull some Herbie high fives. If we have any PBIS team members watching the announcements, it may be a good time to empty the eggs. They are jammed full, which is good news because that means our students are earning lots of these Herbie high fives. Let's see. All right, we've got Michelle Goff in 213. So Michelle in 213. Jimmy in 211. Jimmy in 211. Eliana in 201. Looks like Anvi in 202. Anvi in 202. Brooklyn in 201. We're getting a good mix of classrooms today. Can't read that one. And you're calling me an elf?
What?
Zach in 213. All right, we're going to pull one from the top, and then we're going to switch over to the primary egg. And then we've got some students here that are excited about that. Let's see, we've got Theo in 207. All right. Let's see who we've got. Looks like Millie in either 101 or 107. I can't tell. So Millie. Brandon in 106. I just got a staple in my finger. Hayu in 116. Only 2 of them. Good job. Let's see. David in 114. Be a little faster if we didn't have so many. Looks like Kayla in 102. And again, we'll pull one from the top. Who's it going to be? Jaden in 115. Congratulations to everyone that got their name pulled. Have a great weekend. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer. You bet. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know there is a museum devoted to bananas? The International Banana Museum in North Shore, California, is the most appealing destination on the planet for banana lovers. They have over 20,000 bananas-related items to see as well as taste. You could try their world-famous banana shakes, hand-dipped banana ice cream, chocolate-covered frozen bananas, banana splits, and 4 different types of banana soda pop.
That's bananas.
That's all for today. This week's broadcast was brought to you by the Keep It Cool Bananas production team. Have a fun-filled Happy Face Friday!